Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best screen for patio sliding doors, the MAGZO magnetic screen door. If you're looking to keep annoying insects out of your home while still enjoying the fresh air, this product is an absolute game changer. Let's dive into why this is one of the best solutions for your patio or sliding glass doors. First up, the MAGZO magnetic screen door comes in a variety of sizes to fit most standard doors, including 36 inches by 80 inches for the perfect fit. It's made from upgraded polyester fabric, which is stronger and more durable than regular materials. This fabric is also scratch-proof, which means it's perfect for households with pets or kids. Whether it's windy or rainy, this screen will hold up to all kinds of weather, keeping your home safe from bugs while still allowing the breeze to flow freely. What sets this screen apart from the rest is its built-in magnet system. The screen uses powerful magnets that line both sides and the center of the door, creating a self-sealing effect when you walk through. This hands-free feature allows you to walk right through the door without ever having to touch a handle. It's perfect for those moments when you're carrying groceries or juggling your kids, as you don't need to hold the door open. The installation process is simple too. The MAGZO magnetic screen door comes with an easy-to-follow manual. And with the included hook and loop straps, you can keep the door open whenever needed. Plus, the extra windproof hook and loop at the bottom ensures the screen stays in place even on gusty days. Lastly, this screen door is incredibly versatile. It's ideal for use with sliding glass doors, single doors, French doors, and even front or back doors. You can even remove the screen when not in use and roll it up during the off-season, making it a great, space-saving solution. In conclusion, the MAGZO magnetic screen door is an excellent addition to your home, offering both functionality and durability. It's easy to install, easy to use, and perfect for keeping bugs and debris out while letting in the cool breeze. If you're tired of constantly dealing with pesky insects, this screen door could be the perfect solution for your patio or sliding door. Make sure to grab yours today and experience the difference. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more reviews here at Product Critique.